Now be attentive everyone. Very simple concept. Raise your hand. What is the meaning of dy by dx? What is the meaning of dy by dx? Raise your hand. Vice versa. Change in y due to change in x. Okay. In fact, change in y due to change in 1 unit of x is called dy by dx. Derivative of y means change in y with respect to x means due to change in 1 unit of x. Now, if your answer of dy by dx, which means change in y due to change in x, comes positive. It comes positive, means change in y is positive. Means with every value of x, the value of y is going to increase. That is increasing function. And if your answer of dy by dx comes negative, means change in y due to change in x is negative. With every unit of x, negative means y is decreasing. Then it is which function? Decreasing function. So very simple concept. If your answer of dy by dx comes positive, means it is increasing function. If your answer of dy by dx comes negative at any particular value of x, it comes negative, means at that point it is a decreasing function. Listen carefully, Vrund will repeat it again. It's a very simple concept, so he must be able to. When do we say it's an increasing and when do we say it's a decreasing function? Sitting in the class, not concentrating on what is going on. Both, three of you write this 50 times by tomorrow. This rule what I am going to make it. So easy concepts, you are not attentive to what is going on. Yes, once again, when will we say the function is increasing? When dy by dx is positive. And when will we say the function is decreasing? When dy by dx is negative. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? Very simple concept, because dy by dx means what? Change in y due to change in x. So if change in y is positive, means with every value of x the function will increase. And if change in y due to change in x is negative, means with every value of x the function will decrease. So write down at x equals to a, if dy by dx is more than 0, means it is positive, then function is increasing function. Understood this? And at any value of x, say equal to a, if dy by dx comes negative, means less than 0, then we'll say function is decreasing function. Last 50 times. Okay? So all are clear with this concept. If your dy, we just have to find dy by dx. If it comes positive, it's an increasing function. If it comes negative, it's a decreasing function. Page number 197. Question number 14. Determine whether the function of y equals to 12 plus 4x minus 7x square is increasing or decreasing at x equals to 2. Now what we have to do is, first we have to find dy by dx. Then in that function of dy by dx, we'll put x equals to 2. Here the value of a is 2. After putting the value of x as 2, if you get positive answer, means the function is increasing. If you get negative answer, means the function is decreasing. Did you understand this? So write down y equals to 12 plus 4x minus 7x squared. First of all, you have to find dy by dx. So d upon dx of 12 plus 4x minus 7x squared. 12 becomes 0. 4x becomes 4. Minus 7 into 2. Minus 14x. Now at which value of x you will find this? 2. So at x equals to 2, dy by dx equals to 4 minus 14 into 2. In place of x we will put 2. So 4 minus 14 into 2. 4 minus 28 minus 24 is less than 0, negative. Negative means the function is decreasing. Did everyone understand this? Has everyone completed? 4. Thus, the function is decreasing at x equals to 2 because dy by dx is less than 0. Is everyone clear with this? Now, look at page 198. Question 16. Dear elder, determine whether the function y equals to 3x square minus 10x plus 7 is increasing or decreasing at x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So now two different values are given. Possibly at 1 it will be increasing and at one value it will be decreasing. Disha, how will we proceed? Yes, very first of all, we will find dy by dx. So that is d upon dx of 3x square minus 10x plus 7. Further?
Equals to 6x minus 10.
Yes, 3 into 2, 6x, 2 minus 1 is simply 1 and minus 10x simply becomes minus 10, 7 becomes 0. Did everyone understand this? Now which is the first value of x? 1. At x equals to 1, dy by dx equals to 6 in bracket. In place of x will substitute 1. So 6 minus 10, that is minus 4, less than 0. Means that x equals to 1 the function is decreasing. And at x equals to 2, dy by dx equals to 6 into 2 minus 10, 12 minus 10. In place of x now we substitute 2. 6 into 2 minus 10, 12 minus 10, that is 2, that is greater than 0. So when x is 2, the function is increasing. Did everyone understand this? So write down. Thus at x equals to 1, the function is decreasing and at x equals to 2, the function is increasing. Did you understand this, everyone? Now question 17. Determine whether the function y equals to 2x cube minus 7x square minus 11x plus 15 is plus 5 is increasing or decreasing at x equals to half and x equals to 3. So first of all, upon dx. First of all, dy by dx is d upon dx of 2x cube minus 7x square minus 11x plus 5. Further?
6x square
2 into 3, 6x, 3 minus 1, 2.
minus 14x
7 into 2, 14. X, 2 minus 1 becomes 1. And no, 11x minus 11. And 5 will become 0. Did everyone understand this? Now, Valerie,
At x is equals to 1 by 2.
Now first we have to find whether it is increasing or decreasing at x equals to half.
dy by dx equals to 6 into 1 by 2 square minus 14 1 by 2 minus 11.
Yes, 6 in place of x will put 1 by 2 square minus 14. In place of x will put 1 by 2 minus 11. Any confusions in this? Further?
6 into 1 by 4
1 by 2 square is 1 by 4.
minus 4 1 14.
7. 14 divided by 2, 7. Understood that? 2 into 7, 14. Yes, further? Minus 11. Then?
D by 2 minus 7 minus
2 into 3, 2 into 2, so 3 by 2 minus 7 minus 11 minus 18. Okay, 18 into 2 is 36. So 3 minus 36 and upon LCM is 2. So 3 minus 36 minus 33 by 2. Did everyone understand this? Disha further?
at x equals to 3.
Now we have to put 3 in x, so at x equals to 3.
dy upon dx equals to 6x square minus 14.
6 into
Oh, sorry. 3 minus 14 minus 11.
silence everyone. 6 in place of x will put 3, so 3 square minus 14 in place of x will put 3 minus 11. So 6 into 9 minus 42 minus 11. 54 minus 53, that is 1. Did everyone understand this? Valerie, what is the confusion? Ask it. Which one?
36.
LCM, you cross multiply. 2 into 18, 36. Divide by 2. Is everyone clear with this? Eighteenth question. Determine whether the function y equals to 3 plus 2x minus 7x square is increasing or decreasing at x equals to minus 4 and x equals to 4. Write down y equals to 3 plus 2x minus 7x square. Rhonda? dy by dx equals to d upon dx in bracket 3 plus 2x minus 7x square. Yes, 3 becomes 0, 2x becomes 2 and 7 into 2, 14x. Sit down. Is everyone clear with this? Then Renuka?
At x is equal to minus 4.
At x equals to minus 4.
2 minus 14.
dy by dx equals to 2 minus 14.
Minus 4.
In place of x we will put minus 4. So 2 minus 14 into minus 4.
2 plus 56.
Minus into minus becomes plus. 14 into 4, 56. So 58. Did we write the conclusion in the previous one? This one is less than 0 and this one is more than 0. So just mention in the previous question that at x equals to half the function is decreasing. At x equals to half the function is decreasing. And at x equals to 3 the function is increasing. Did you understand this? Now this one is greater than 0, so here it is increasing. Anyone having any doubt in this? Then hit
So at x is equal to 4.
at x equals to 4.
2 minus
2 minus 14 into 4. 2 minus 14 into in place of x will put 4.
2 minus 56.
2 minus 56
Minus 50.
minus 54 is less than 0, means at this point it is decreasing. Thus, at x equals to minus 4, the function is increasing, and at x equals to 4, the function is decreasing. So, everyone has understood the concept of increasing and decreasing functions.